guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a power hour. I have a few things that I need to get done. I'm going to try to get through this as quickly as possible. I'm not feeling well today, but I do have a few things that I need to get through before the start of the week. So we have fold my towels. I have some dish towels that I just need to put away. They've been sitting in the laundry basket for like, I don't know, 4 days. I need to clean both of the bathrooms, feed the dogs, change the air filter, and I need to tidy up the dining room. I've gotten a lot of packages over the past couple of days, so I just need to empty all those and put those away. One of the things that I got was a new mattress pad from Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on my bed. I have some laundry to do, and I'd like to wash the floors and vacuum if I have time. I might just vacuum. I'm not sure if I'm feeling up to doing both. So let's just go ahead and see how much we can get through. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it provides you some cleaning motivation. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to something, and our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud 'cause we just want attention. Alright, and we feel alive from our feet.
Okay guys, so here's the progress. I have folded the towels, I have fed the dogs, I have changed the air filter, I also put some bleach in, I did the mattress pad, I did the laundry, so we just need to clean one other bathroom and then wash the floors and vacuum.
Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to
Alright guys, I finished everything I needed to. I have about 2 minutes left to spare, but I hope you guys enjoyed this power hour. Make sure you subscribe if you like content like this, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.